Welcome to Seeds of Thought. We appreciate you stopping by. As we come to the end of this series, I want to introduce you to the Freedom Ladder, how to rank your assets with clarity and confidence. So today, the big question is why most people get stuck. Here's the answer. Most people don't fail because they lack ideas. They fail because they don't know which idea to build first, which to scale, and which to set aside for later. This confusion creates asset overwhelm. Too many options, not enough execution. The Freedom Ladder is the system that removes that overwhelm. It's a ranking framework, step by step, so you know exactly which asset to start with, which one deserves your time next, and which ones are distractions for now. Step 1. Define your freedom number. Your freedom number equals the monthly income required to cover your lifestyle without trading time for money. Write it down clearly, not a guess. Be specific. Rent, mortgage, food, transportation, insurance, miscellaneous, add them all up. That's your freedom target. Step 2. Gather your asset options list out all the potential assets you could build or scale. Digital products, courses or coaching, affiliate income, real estate intellectual property, e-commerce investments. This isn't about judgment yet. Just get them all on paper. Step 3. Rank for speed. Ask, how quickly can this asset start producing income? Digital products might launch in weeks. Real estate might take months. Stock investing might take years. Score each asset on a scale of 1 slow to 5 fast. Step 4. Rank for scalability. Ask, once it works, how big can it grow without more hours from me? Coaching, why aren't limited by your time? Low scalability. Ebooks, courses, digital products, unlimited scalability. Rental properties, we're scalable with capital, not infinite. Score each 1 low to 5 high. Step 5. Rank for alignment. Ask, does this fit my strengths, skills, and lifestyle? If you hate writing, building an ebook may not be your lane. If you enjoy teaching, courses may be a great fit. Score each asset on 1 misaligned to 5 perfectly aligned. Step 6. Build your ladder. Now stack your scores for speed plus scalability plus alignment. The higher the score, the higher that asset sits on your freedom ladder. Your first climb, pawn the highest scoring asset. Step 7, execute in order. This is the discipline. Focus on 1 rung at a time. Don't build 5 assets halfway. Build one until it's stable, then step up to the next. Step 8, review every quarter. Every 90 days, check. Has one asset plateaued? Is another showing faster traction? Do your lifestyle goals or numbers need adjusting? The ladder isn't fixed in stone. It evolves as you climb. The clarity advantage. When you know your ladder, you stop chasing shiny objects. You stop comparing your lane to someone else's. You move with focus, precision, and confidence. The Freedom Ladder is your GPS. It tells you where to step, when to climb, and what to ignore until later. And if you stick to it, every move you make will bring you closer to the top. And the view from the top is freedom. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you truly want to take what you have learned to the next level, click the website link below and get my brand new ebook, The Entrepreneur's Playbook, Rewiring Your Mind for Achievement. Take care for now, and I'll see you in the next video.